got one more still that's not right here. I got two size 5.5. Y'all can see. I got one size 8, one 8.5.
This is straight. Yes, sir. Damn, it is your boy Coleman about another video. Overall, it's a pretty good shoe.
A lot of blue rays, cheat on my pet.
Oh, dope.
I got it.
It just caught the ball, Georgia.
Don't mean that it's made. I clean up real nice. I don't got.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is your boy Coleman back with another video, bro. Today, it is Jordan 1 Crimson Tint release day, bro. So, you know what we're about to go do. About to go pick up the shoe. I'm gonna take y'all with the kid. All right, let me chill, I'm tweaking. Take y'all with the kid, go throughout the day, and then come back to the spot and do a whole, trying to hold the camera up, bro. I started working out, my arms hurt. And do a in-depth review of the shoe when I get back to the crib. So, buddy, I'm tired, bro. I just woke up. Still got it. It's crazy how I did that and I didn't even lick my fingers, but anywho, yeah, so we're about to go pick up the shoes. About to leave the crib now. I'm about to go pick up my friend Kaylee. She's coming with me. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Press that thumbs up button right now for more sneaker release vlogs, bruh, and all that. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, bruh. Stay subscribed to the channel. Can't say that on YouTube. But make sure you subscribe to the channel. And now we're about to go on throughout the day. And, man, I'm sorry. That's all my energy, bro. I just woke up. Bruh. So, what is that? Bro, I'm on the way, right? I've been in traffic, bro, like, I don't even know how long I've been in traffic, bro. Just know, like, look, bro. 0.2 miles, bro. All right, really, it said 0.4 miles, right? That was 10 minutes ago. At 8:13, I was 0.4 miles away from getting off this exit, bro. It's one thing about living in Atlanta, bro. The traffic, bro, is terrible. Like, they're going fast right now, but it's because the exit I'm trying to get off is like a main exit, like to get like towards Lenox, like the heart. I'm sick, bro. We still gonna get these shoes, bro. Still trying to cook. The mall don't open until 10, so I'm still gonna be early, but I want to be like the first. Like, I want to be number 1. Like, number 1 through 5 in line, bro.
In 600 feet, take exit 27 for Georgia 400 South toward Atlanta.
All right, like I said, I want to be at least number 1 through 5 to get these shoes, bro. We're still 0.1 miles away from getting off this exit, bro. Like, look, bro. 0.1, bro. That whole time I was talking, I moved 0.1. So, bro, I'm gonna hit y'all when I finally at least get closer or something, bro. Golly. Listen, focuses. It's 9:42, and it just took sizes down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We did just pop. I'm waiting for my friend Kaylee to get the other pair. Right there. Not the dub, but. You say you
use the gift card for this.
For real?
So I'm just gonna cash it.
Alright, bet. Yes, sir. I think I'm about to try and go to Foot Locker, yeah. See if they have it. Yes, sir. We're trying to cook, bro, today. So I'm in line for Grace right now. They said they got the 5.5. They got the 5.5, right? All right, bet. So we got 2 more 5.5 right now. You got size 8.5? 8.5, and I got size 8. And then after this, we're gonna try and hit Champ, see what they got over there. Hopefully, bro. Hopefully I can cook today, because I really want to just hold all of these and put them on ice.
Get another $10 off.
Thank you. Let's go. Alright, so now we about to try Champs. So we got the extra 9.5. When I get back to the spot, I'm gonna show y'all how much I had gotten and do like an in-depth review on it. But we're about to head back to the cribbo. So I'm gonna hit y'all when I get, dang, this lighting is, okay, it's better over here. I'm gonna hit y'all when I get back to the cribbo. All right, bro, so we're back at the crib. Jay's over there back in the corner. And we're about to actually see those, because I ain't even showed you guys these on camera, but I looked at them when I got back to the car, bro. These look ridiculously in person. Let me show y'all the size I got one more still that's not right here. I got two size 5.5, y'all can see. I got one size 8, one 8.5, one 9.5. So we did cook today, and I got another 8.5 that a friend is holding for me. We're about to unbox a 9.5 because that's probably the closest to my size. Look at this, bro. These, bro. These look completely different. And the new shoe smell.
No shit is beautiful.
I'm addicted. Look, come on, bro. You can come over here and see this. But these things, like,
it's different.
it look different on pictures, bro.
Like that shit is really like glowing type.
It looked completely different in pictures. But like,
I would hate to get the bottom of these dirty.
oh yeah, I'd be sick because it's so clean.
Yeah. Damn.
Look at this, bro.
This.
I love the new shoe smell, bro. It's like,
It's like this girl I kissed. Her breasts like this. That's crazy.
look at the laces.
With the green?
The green, bro, that'd be different.
Yeah.
That would be
This. Ooh, that pink.
the pink, bro. The pink is so, bro. Like, I really want to go get
It's like
my
a
socks.
salmon.
It's like a
Lighter
salmon,
than
like
salmon.
what is it
It's
look
like
like?
a cream scent. I don't know.
What, pussy pink.
Yeah.
Damn.
That's what it is. That's that good. That's that good shit. Okay.
Look at that, bro. The white midsole, the salmon pussy pink sole. Bruh, these, I can't even. I thought these, like, they look okay. Like,
Are you doing an on-foot review?
me? Nah, I don't
can't
have my
fit none of
size.
this.
Yeah, no. That's why I said I'm gonna have to go grab my size, but if I grab it, bro, I'm gonna have to keep it.
Oh god.
These things is so beautiful, bro. Like,
What?
the sole, bro. Oh, with some black jeans?
Little, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Bro,
unless you know it's absurd.
Some black jeans, bro, and if you had like even a regular black shirt or just like a pink shirt.
Yeah. Yeah.
These
Oh,
is-
no. With the green laces, you probably could throw a green shirt on with that. Same color
Yeah,
green?
yeah, with black jeans.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
Might have to go back to the mall.
No
Might,
place to
bro.
go.
These things is fire, bro. But I got 6 pairs. There's 5 behind me. Like I said, my friend's still holding one. These, bro. Dang. Even the black laces, I know they look hard.
Yeah,
like,
the black one. Oh, yeah, they don't
Black.
come with no blacks.
No, it do.
Oh,
it
it's
do.
3 laces?
Yeah, it's 3, bro.
They on there clowning.
It's whole, bro. I don't think y'all understand. Y'all,
I would have to like put the black and the pink in it. I don't know how it would work.
low key.
I don't know, but it would
Like,
go.
give it like an off-white vibe. Yeah,
Yeah.
low key. Stop playing, bro. Go get the 12, bro. Stop playing.
No, God.
Here they go, bro. I wish I could do an on-foot review, but I can't because none of these is my size. But thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're going to try and cook up on the next release, too. I think the next big release that I'm looking forward to is probably the Bread 4s. I think some Yeezys come out before that, too. So we're going to try and cook both on those. Shout out for Kaylee coming through and helping me cook. Hey, that's it in this video. Just, you just
Oh, yeah, hold on. You have to hold the shoe while you do it.
in this shrug.
Like,
Hell nah. Are we? Whoa. Okay, so look, I'm sitting here editing this, right? And I saw that. Let me sure y'all can see this. Dang, my screen's kind of dusty. See what that says? 8 minutes. What the world? Now, how? Who would have? Hold on, let me make this focus. Yeah, that does say 8 minutes. So, how in the world? Stay with me. How in the world am I gonna make it hit 10 minutes? No, it's 2 ways. I can keep this camera rolling, not talk about nothing. But if I'm not gonna talk about nothing, I may as well just put nothing. So that's what I'm about to do. Y'all about to just see a black screen. But make sure you subscribe to this. Wow. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, smash the thumbs up button, and also comment below what you guys actually think of the Crimson Tint Jordan 1s, because I actually do like them. I really still may go pick up my size in the mall, and I'll keep y'all updated on my Instagram if I am. Oh well, I may be able to talk because I'm running it right now. But yeah, I might actually go pick up my size. So yeah, I guess we're not doing the black screen because we passed. I think I got enough minutes, so I'm gonna see y'all next week. Maybe this weekend hit y'all with a vlog.